2012 Freightliner single axle day cab tractor, Detroit, horsepower under the hood, 410, 500, 10-speed Fuller manual transmission behind it, 23,000 pound rears. Let's take a walk around and see what we got going on. Steer tire looks pretty high. Cab looks good. Air jammer up top. Dual fuel tanks for you. Rear tire's got some life left in you. Give us a call. We'll give you the measurements. Airbags holding air. Fifth wheel doing what it does. Frame has some surface rust. Paint peeling. Nothing too terrible. Air ride seat. Again, Fuller 10-speed in it. AC present but not working. DEF underneath the driver's door. Cab and nose on this side looking pretty good. One marker light out, one directional out. Washers, wipers, city horn, blower, okay. No ABS light on, no check engine light on for you. Great starter truck. Come on by, check it out here at Arthur Trovey & Sons. Lots of great deals to be had. Plenty of single axles, plenty of tandem axles. Lots and lots and lots of trailers of all sizes, 28 foots to 53s. Give us a call, let us know what you're looking for. We'll put it together a great deal for you right here at Arthur Trovey & Sons.